Hello and happy Monday, guys. It's Lauren with Lockhart Tactical, and today we're going to be talking about 3 different versions of adventure medical kits. To start us off, we have the Mountain Series Day Tripper Kit. You can find the Day Tripper Kit on our website for $32. That would mean that you're saving 35% off of the entire price. The Mountain Series Day Tripper Kit weighs less than 1 pound. It features materials that help clean and close wounds, materials that help manage pain and illness, product for personal protection, and pads that stop blisters before they start. When you open this medical kit, you can see that it's designed to be organized by injury. Up top you have wound care, burn, and blister. Down here you have bleeding and medication and instruments. The supply list varies from bandage materials such as dressings, gauze, and butterfly closures to medication such as aspirin, ibuprofen, and antihistamine. The next kit that I'm going to show you is the Sportsman Whitetail Kit. You can find this kit, also 35% off, for only $48 on our website. The Whitetail Kit is ideally used for hunting and fishing and only weighs 1 pound. When opened, you can see that this kit is also organized by injury. It contains supplies to help treat penetration wounds from bullets and arrows, to help with fish hook removal, stabilizing sprains, and to stop severe bleeding. The final kit that I'm going to show you today is the Sportsman Steelhead Kit. This little guy weighs less than half a pound and is also ideally used for hunting and fishing. It includes everything you need for treating the most common injuries, including an irrigation syringe for cleaning wounds, wound closure strips, and trauma pads. Although the other 2 kits are almost completely weatherproof, it's the Steelhead Kit that is completely waterproof. It's super durable, it's ultra light, and it's got a Ziploc top for reuse. Whether you're hiking and camping or fishing and hunting, I seriously recommend you go pick up one of these medical kits today. There's no such thing as being too safe. Thank you for watching our video. For more information, continue on to our website at www.lockharttactical.com. Don't forget to like our video, comment down below, subscribe to our channel, and share with your friends. This has been Lauren with Lockhart Tactical, over and out.